Here are some helpful tips and tricks to make your life easier during the holiday season and be safe while hanging Christmas lights. Having a detailed plan will make your life much easier. A schematic like this can show you exactly how many feet of light you need. A standard tape measure or a measure rule will help you as well. Also, knowing where your outlets are placed and how many feet of light you want to highlight on your home will make your life much easier before you start hanging your lights. There is a difference between lighted length and the actual length of your light strings. If you're going to have them outside, make sure you get outside rated lights and electrical cords. The first example is a plug-and-play solution. You buy it at the store, plug it in, the bulbs are already on there, and they're lit up. This particular one, you can string many strands right together, so you only have one plug. Make sure you follow your manufacturer's recommendation on how many you can string at one time. Another good option, custom cut lights. These lights you can buy anywhere from 50 bulbs up to 1,000 bulbs on a strand. The nice thing about these is if one bulb goes out, it doesn't shut off the rest of the lights. And then you can replace the bulb, you can replace the socket, and you can replace the clips. So a nice string of lights should last you a very long time. When attaching lights to your home, you want to use a good quality clip. These are two examples. This particular clip is secured on the socket by your bulb, designed to go on a gutter or under an asphalt shingle. This clip is designed to do the same, but it will clip on and off of the bulb. What you don't want to do is make any physical changes to your home that could cause damage. Stapling onto your shingles or onto the side of your home will give many entry points for water that could cause damage. You always want to use a sturdy ladder on a flat surface. Never try to use anything that isn't intended for climbing. Also, to be safe, make sure that somebody knows what you're doing and when you're doing it, just to be on the safe side if accidents happen.